Good morning everyone. Today I am going to present a speech on important data structure concept. Unit overview, symbol tables, static tree tables, dynamic tree tables, tables, hash function, overflow handling. These concepts are widely used in compiler, databases, operating system and information retrieval system. Introduction to symbol tables. The data structure used to store and retrieve key values pairs efficiently. A symbol table is a data structure used to store information about identifiers in a program. Its identifiers may include variable name, function name, constant, and labels. For example, consider the following program: int age float salary. The symbol tables stores identifier data type age salary equal to integer and float. Functions of symbol table: it stores identifiers information, support fast searching, detect duplicate declaration, assist in compilations. Applications of symbol table: compiler, databases, dictionaries and indexing system. Basic operations on symbol table: insert, delete, searching and updation. Static tree tables: tree structure with fixed data after creation. Once the nodes are inserted, they are rarely modified. Features of static tree tables: efficient searching but limited update. The characteristics is fixed structure, efficient searching, minimal updations. Binary search tree review: ordered tree structure for sorting records. Static tree table examples: searching, recording, using tree travels. Advantages of static tree table: fast retrieval and simple implementation. Limitations of static tree tables: difficult to handle frequent insertions and deletion. Dynamic tree tables: a dynamic tree tables allows insertions and deletions of nodes during execution. The structure change dynamically according to user requirements. Need for dynamic tree tables: efficient insertion and deletions of record, flexible structure, efficient update, dynamic memory usages. Applications: database indexing, file system, dynamic search structure. Dynamic tree tables are widely used where data changes frequently. Advantages: flexible and adaptable. Comparison: statics with dynamic tree tables, performance and update capabilities. Introduction to hash table. A hash table is a data structure used to store and retrieve data quickly. It is used a key value approach. Need for hashing: fast search and retrieval. Hash table structure: keys mapped to table location. Hashing function: it converts a key into an array index. A hash function converts a key into index location in a hash table. The generated value is called a hash value. Characteristics of good hash function: simple to compute, uniform distribution, minimizes collisions, fast execution. The importance: hash functions determines the efficiency of hash table. Division method, mind sequence method, square key and exact middle digits. Folding methods: it divides key into parts and combines them. Collision and hashing: two key mapping to the same location. Overflow